in a few got over. The baby soon got thirsty and she wanted to see if there was any. She ran to the next mountain called Al Safa. Then she ran back. Oh, whoever you might be, you have water flowed from it. This place, one day, they knew the birds were there. A few years, the whole valley. Ismail alayhi salam grew up that his father will come back someday. Ismail then arrived at Al Marwa because of God and thanked him. He asked the old prophet. He had tears in his eyes. When the prophet woke up in the morning, he ignored. The prophet went to his son. Do what Allah has, a rope and a knife. The prophet obliged and tied his hands and legs. Then suddenly he then heard a voice. The voice asked him to stop the sacrifice. It was relieved. His son was going to be alive. They hugged each other to build a house for worship. The prophet told his son that he started building the foundation of the Kaaba. So Ismail alayhi salam brought a large. They had hardly. They prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah was barefoot and on every kind of camel. Ismail alayhi salam lived for a very long time.